Kameghala Pradesh Youth Congress ringkat bagi National Students Union of India mentah kasing sajang kala gentaj bagi dekat kala in okam mentah katayo laban kedua bah kasing palai State Unit President ke NSUI ba bancarai lang pengirop haringkat kin rius pangut kala in okam nak parti bad kasing thoding General Secretary ke MPYC ba Fernandez Estekar haringkat kisau pangut kila pha ya ke sithi in okam habakren hagilap thai kbor mdagasngi uba banphira basoi moj ulong baga jingi na kam uba dakhar kamshim me pher na jingle circus ni drama ulong baga bapau hi hangni kalong baga jingi na kam ke jongki kalong bakila tip bakila du ye jinglong nang yalam ha party ulong ru balada General Secretary barim ke MPYC uban yakun ni ke post MPYC president ha jingjet nang yalam umhun ni ke kompanya ulade ban pha de jing ujor syakin nang yalam ba khri ha jaka ban ekam Shushu ba wan phira ulong bo ba Fernandez Latif Shai bo unam job ya ke post president ke MPYC ke bala pelong yu ban inokam na sing bad ban rap ru ya ke jingsngo khobor bawala ula ikam haringkat saus pangut ki khana samla Henry wada ke jing krishan ki saus pangut ru kanam yarap yu ban job ya ke jing jet president MPYC Unang ilam ki samla Youth Congress ula pensyai ru ba ke MPYC kadang sudah penrung riu dekat temai arpau hajar ngot ki khana samla Bad ong shushu baki nang ilam ke Youth Congress kim don por ya kini kikam hendai kidang bon kimat ki bahap menteri hagu juga por la kentu ikpat ba benam syarong hakum kini ki drama kai balale di kat tu kan ningun
Timtas ni ngasuan ni ban pensai sifri ki pat ba lingba kini ki lat thai por ba la khongwan ni ban kentho yanu bat ban kran sniu yanu mendas ni ngasuan ban pensai tang ka sit ka statement ka bala mi haka press ba ngai i ba kene suai baro khoi kila mi le hendrei kata statement ka dei ka bomde ka statement ni suan me ni ba percaya ba ka NSUI kadang don but kini ki members jong yiru badalang sadie idang bun ha west khasiels for south west khasiels but ha east khasiels but abun ki jaka kene NSUI idang don but idang yai trei ya ka kam hot kene NSUI la dissolve kene NSUI Hendrai mlele yang kata ngin saya reconstitute ya kan NSUI bat ki members jongi ngin sa submit iki kerteng sa Delhi bat ngin sa form no la ka jong ka unit hoi ki amba lada ka lim ka ngam kam lele lada ka ngim ka lam ngindang yai trei ngindang yai yach khmat ngindang yai yach prak mangin trei ya kan ka kam jongi we will not give up so easily te ya ki para samla jongaru ke NSUI ki blami no kitbok kedua iki makin nang yai tre ya kam ya kajam di tangkum tahi bat nginang yai penthmai kini kinok ket kam hakini ki sngi ki banwan ingin saya submit no ki keteng sa Delhi di tangkum tahi the when the going gets tough the tough get going tangkum tahi publish pun
Congress for Meghalaya inang don mentah pening election nang bentah ki post prepare ya kali election la pendak kata Youth Congress Election Authority dalam ya minta suman kini election dalam South Stage idan ke nomination bazang mulai putrik jamu benar Oktober kalapur putrik November hadir ke nomination ke scrutiny dan ke penghilangan file complaints di finalize ke nomination ke 4 November azal buai berkaput agak 9 November mentang azam yang enrollment penghilangan kisnau kitau Seki Assembly Congress Bapir na zanul 4 November aja buai ki post ke election kalau habun ki benta ha state level kalau ke postของ president dan general secretary ha ki district youth congress ru ki president ha ki kena sona ta file ki nomination joki na beta ki district Bapir tadi election ru iyo banjir ki president na beta ki assembly youth congress Bapir ka enrollment yang nak bentak Youth Congress kalau multi dimensional kamu ditanggi per member numbers ka role yang ke Youth Congress nizam syar publish kishnam kedua ipara kha samla yaitu iki ka role yang kita samla haka imlam salam ka role yang kita samla politics ka role yang kita samla Congress hadir ke enrollment kung primary members we make sure ba kena kindom active members kena kindom ka voting rights bakin jid chekini ki candidates ba file nomination ka role kini ki candidates ba file nomination pa hamang ki level kadai bakin let's di thao let's di grassroots but enroll ki kena but then make sure bakin job election ning bak enrollment kidan nanti masu pulih ki kerteng tak tu ki kerteng jom ki kena samla la file nomination aban ta propose jom president jom Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress di bla file nomination Adrian Khan William di Bajak Pongro di Fernandez Estahar di Henry Kharmuti di Lari Takerlin Kharsotun bat mga panpira Simon the Bajak ini election to Youth Congress kasong enrollment tiko boy ai benen itu bala ai ga resignation letter jongi kisin kasti enokam ilai link ba social media bakla kiosmo bakidan pembahasan pak mud kita ki dekat ke Youth Congress bla mud pembina nek bla mina ke Youth Congress diri pesutu baban job ini election to Youth Congress ya post president saus pak mud pala job an ai group sai fi ngai lagi na file nomination kum you state president tangan lu bomba harus sampai ki kena teki hajar tam kita enroll do we have to read the lines nila ni job election tam sos pamut kajeng eno kam nang itu menen I ramba ni samla ba ai sti ni kya halan heba all the drama all the circus that they needed for themselves isko kam shongren isutu ini Bapa ini sekutu, baik ini job shoot election juga state president, ihap kami no. Ilang buat kini kita sama sendirian, kita ya kita senang dijangki, konferensi dijangki, district dijangki, pakai enrollment kemudian mentah, bawa database yang Youth Congress, arbo hajar tam kita nak enroll, nak benda kene ka samoi trikam yang Youth Congress. Pendapat hari ini artayo mulai tayo, hari ini sini ka alin yang kemau show. Kani kejengmi no ki brio na Congress ketuk di harmon ki MLA kejengmi kita ki sama na Youth Congress na NSUI one common denominator jong ki kadai ba pagi development kadai kejeng smutu jong ki bakram yo show kata ka shuki terikam kani position habok party na kita ki bobot kamdan tak mo be pa I balain no kamenin ismutu ba kani ka entire process of election jong Youth Congress Iran nomination, ila file nomination hadian bagayo presiden bermain. Iksam randin ila file nomination ila biang kutubor ila file nomination. Ila complain ru ba kalkom jien itikin trikam semacam ke Congress kam songnya kam songrem. Hakayu Congress election mentang kadon sekautak stage scrutinize di court Islam. Hakayu kompor ki alat dengan complain darang idon kini ki issues yang Indonesia candidate for file nomination. Sosi yang ketarik penengkam yang kakabu belaan. Te ke Kongres ini, ke parti kadang a healthy supply line of youth leaders, a healthy supply line of potential youth. Belah menteri kakam juga parti Kongres, kakam gereji penyentai yang kebelang salam. Ia iba kini kibayami tentang kelak kami bersijaka. Aku ikut naik berkait bola itu. Yang di press, yang di member di Kongres maka kamu pun. Kalau beliau nang si jaga ben, one match ni, ai ke press conference lagi, begitu katamu ki belayani, idan katamu ki benyane, katamu begini abdul jutubu kumne, lalu jutubu kumtai, idan kini ki complaints. And this is a service that they created by declared humane pressing issues budaya kastir kejongi. Nimdan pun nanti lagi, nanti ini will be the only press conference untuk yang Youth Congress, yang NSUI. Penghinaan. Ki issues kibakin sa hijack part swap election. Ya kapag mentak so kapatid ko po lagi ilang lakay ko din. Rini kong kejelang yung dalpor lakay di issues from pressing ya state mentak. Ka GSDP ka gross state domestic product jang kejelang lagi. Arpo ki usnem arja apo buhay klahir ikam kiyo klapoy siya minus 7.2%. Ka unemployment joki educated youth इधर की डेटा हमें का अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट हमें घलिया करकुम ककरान पूरी कि बला पास या सेकेंडरी एग्जामिनेशन अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट करे 4.63%. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट है कि हायर सेकेंडरी कि बला पास हायर सेकेंडरी kena 10.53%. Graduates, 16.56% ka unemployment rate. Postgraduate and above, lapas kam cenderung. Ka unemployment rate kena 19.7%. Kan ampas sedor unemployment rate kanang kiyo. Kini issues ke bangi ni banyak take off. Kini issues ke bangi ni pelupur. Ang manusia ini polis besar. Kini banyak halang ni, kini banyak paper suki, iwe kibang ni kapor suki, imat kim pakut kapor pakut ke Christmas. Kejelang ni amat, ni yang pesang. Ini ke bangi yoi dan baki kot kubur, di magazines. Meghalaya right now, we are ranked the 5th poorest state in the country. Not just that, we are the poorest state in the northeastern region. And also, Meghalaya now ranks number 2 when it comes to the percentage of population deprived of years of schooling. Kini issues we have to poor. Atrai dan poor punya ya entertain sa ya kini kejengnya mi kejongki kejengnya ai press conference kejongki this drama. That even pay more attention to these pressing issues. Kum ki samna kita bisa clear, kum ka party congress kita tetap kita clear. The youth congress right now, we are in the process of electing new office bearers for the state body, that is the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. We have the election for the district youth congress presidents for the different districts, as well. We have the election for the president of the Assembly Youth Congress in the various blocks. The process started in the month of October, 30th of October 2021, and it ended on the 7th of November 2021. After the nomination, we had the scrutiny and the filing of complaints, if any, from the 31st of October 2021 till the 8th of November. I would just like to read the list of youth who have filed their nominations for the post of the President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. We have Adrian Khan William, Bajot Bongro, Fernandez Estahar, Henry Kharmuti, Larita Kerden Khasotun, and myself, Panthira Abasemot, who has filed the nomination for the post of State President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. To win this election, all these candidates will have to ensure that they get maximum enrollment. We will have to go to the block levels, to the grassroots to make sure, and to ensure that the youth understand the process of enrollment. We go to the youth, and firstly we tell them about, we make them aware about our roles in the society, our roles in the Congress, and our roles in the activity of nation building. The person or the group who came yesterday to offer the resignation, they are all aware of this entire process. If they had any complaints, a platform was provided to them to file complaints regarding any candidates. They didn't do that. They are well aware. To win the election, we need an enrollment per candidate. We need an enrollment of minimum 2,000 to 3,000 enrollments of active members. But what's happening, if we just go by what the reports stated yesterday, the number of resignation yesterday was around 400 members, and they know fully well that it's not enough to win elections. I'll give you an example. I filed my candidature for the state president. I've enrolled from Lumumba till 5th Mile. More than 1,000 youths for this election, and it's not enough. I know we are moving in all parts of the state to make sure that more youths are enrolled. This election process is multidimensional. This is not just for the sake of enrolling members. Our first aim is to create an awareness among the youth regarding their roles in the society. The second is to make sure that they have the tenacity to work for the society. And thirdly, they work for the party, they work according to the principles of the party,
and to stay strong as youth and be the future leaders that the country needed.